Hello, everyone. Today's topic is AWS Transit Gateway. In Transit Gateway, how to connect multiple VPs. See, so in this video, a Transit Gateway is a network transit hub that you can use to interconnect your virtual private clouds and on Nimsys networks. As your cloud infrastructure expands globally, introducing peering connection transit gateway to leverage using the AWS cloud infrastructure. Your data is automatically encrypted and never travel over the public internet. How it is work? Transit gateway act as a regional virtual router for the traffic following between your virtual private clouds and on-premises network. Transit gateway scale drastically based on the volume of network traffic. Routing through a transit gateway operates at the layer where the packets are sent to the specific next port attachment based on their destined IP addresses. So now we are creating a two different IP, and now I have created two different IP, and this is IP1 and this is IP2. And then I create a subnet for IP1 and IP2. This is my subnet. This is a telephone region. The subnet range. Create subnet one, and then I create another subnet for the VPC2. This is subnet 2, available region. So I create a route table route 1 for VPC1, GT1, create this attached to VPC1. I create internet gateway, and this internet gateway attached with the VPC1, and I create another gateway attached here the VPC2. So after that, I create a transit gateway. Gateway. In description, I created a default value. I wait for the state when it will be not available. Now this is pending. Wait for it to validate. Now the status is available now. Now I create a transit gateway attachment. I create two attachment for this attachment one and attachment two. This attachment is connected with the VPC also. This is my transit gateway ID and attachment type is VPC. Noise VPC. In this, we have to select the VPC ID 1 and this is the subnet ID US East 1A. So I connect with the VPC 1 and create another transit attachment. I give name 2 and attach with the transit gateway and attachment type VPC. I select subnet ID 2 and subnet ID availability zone US East 1B and I application. So I create two EC2 instances for the VPC1 and VPC2. I'm using Ubuntu and server 2.0 and this type is equal micro and I select the key and network setting I select over here for the VPC1 and this is public IP enabled over here. I create another instance. Instance. Values VPC and in this you can auto assign public IP disable. Wait. So first we go to the table and routes, edit routes. We connect with this the internet gateway and also we connect with the VPC2 CIDR range with the help of the transit gateway. Attachment number one. This is routable is connected with the help of the transit gateway attachment. In the other routable, in the other VPC, we connect edit routes and connect with the internet gateway and also connect with the transit gateway attachment. We can check this is route. So the go to EC2 stance and I go to the security groups and edit security groups. In inbound groups, I open the port add and I 423 for the CIDR range for the second VPC range. I open it for the connectivity and also in the instance edit the security group in so now you have to connect the private IP. This is the instance to private IP and connect with the instance one I connected with the help of the EC2 instance. We have to connect the private IP. So now we can check to ping one server to another. Now in the on the first server you have to ping with to the second and it is connected and this is a private IP of the second instance and connect with on the first server. So, thank you for the this video.